So, sir, why you didn't beat Elon Musk? Why you didn't beat Elon Musk? Like you may ask. Then my simple answer is, I never thought in this direction. Observe that. I never thought in this direction. Okay. So most of the things, we are always, whatever we have, whatever we have. So where we are, all these things, just because of your limited thoughts only. If your parents, array, study well, improve knowledge, you have to start a company. You have to give the employment for lakhs of people. From day one onwards, if the society and parents are going to inject such type of thought process, then our position may be different. Remember carefully. So, in what way you are thinking, you will be there only. You will be there only. So, if you are thinking about employee level, if you are thinking about employer level, if you are thinking about empire level, anything, just anything is possible. But only thing is based on your thoughts only. Dare to dream. Dare to dream. At least dreams only, right? You are not required to pay anything, man. At least you know thoughts. Why don't you keep big thoughts? Automatically, one fine day, the same thing is going to be happen.